राइट, बट जैसे अगर मॉम ब्रेस्ट फीड करा रही है बट द चाइल्ड इज स्टिल कंटिन्यूसली क्राइंग एंड बार बार वो फीड मांग रहा है, सो मॉम्स कैसे स्ट्रेस आउट हो जाती है दैट आई एम नॉट प्रोड्यूसिंग इनफ
Exactly.
ब्रेस्ट मिल्क, तो व्हाट इज द सिनेरियो एक्चुअली हैपनिंग देयर?
Yeah. I think that's very important because it's really stressful.
बिकॉज वो मेरे साथ भी हुआ है, इट वॉज फॉर 3 months, मैं पूरी रात राहत को यूं लेकर बैठ ही रहती थी बिकॉज मैं जैसे ही उसे नीचे रखती थी शी यूज्ड टू क्राई, शी जस्ट वांट्स टू फीड, एंड फिर वो वैसी पोजीशन में सो जाएगी, जैसे नीचे रखूंगी शी अगेन स्टार्ट क्राइंग एंड शी आस्क फॉर फीडिंग.
Yeah. I understand how stressful that is, and most mothers go through this. So, number one, to get out of this, fear that milk is not enough.
Yeah.
So, that's why I keep saying that if your baby is wetting enough diapers and is growing as per what we expect every month, that means milk is enough. So, that part is sorted,
Okay.
that the baby is not crying because of insufficient milk. The second thing is there are certain phases in the baby's growth in infancy, in 0 to 1 year age, where the baby will be doing what is called cluster feeding.
Okay.
Baby is feeding a lot back to back, even though baby has had enough milk. So these are certain growth spurts, and we need to help the mother understand that this is going to pass off. It's not going to last forever, but it lasts for a few days, and then the baby, and then again it might happen at certain times.
Okay.
So generally it will be at about 1 month, 3 months, and certain phases of development. So one is to prepare the mother for this cluster feeding. How can she make herself comfortable? How can she calm herself down? And third, help the other people around her understand that they need to support her at this time. Like you were saying कि नीचे रखो तो
Exactly.
बच्चा रोता है और उठाओ तो, because the baby feels secure. That is the baby's
Yeah.
thing, right? But one of the things is where the other family members can pitch in, because initial months we also say that you feed at least 2-3 times at night, because the breastfeeding hormone is working better at night, and that contributes a lot to baby's growth, and baby is also stocking up
Yeah.
for these phases of growth spurts. So that's how the baby is. So I think the other people around the mother can do a lot to support the mother in this situation. That's why we talk about one-on-one time with dads, and I really like to start that very early, because research shows that skin to skin contact with the dad, especially evening time, sleeping time, where the baby is very cranky.
Okay.
So, dad can spend some time, and the baby also starts learning, because baby is not expecting a feed from dad. So it's easy for the dad, like when they spend that one-on-one time and they do skin to skin contact. So many advantages are there for in terms of bonding and other things which happen with the father, and mother gets a break.
Correct.
So in these stressful situations, it's all about how can we tide through, how can we go through this situation. That's the most important things.
But today we are hearing a lot about expressing breast milk, है ना? And उस scenario में दूसरे लोग भी feed करा सकते हैं बच्चे को, if the mother is expressing the milk and storing it.
Yeah.
But and we see so many reels also जहाँ पे moms express कर रही हैं, they're working. I don't know ज़्यादा marketing है वो perfect expressing reels. बट ऐसे बहुत सारे मैंने मॉम्स देखी हैं हु आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सप्रेस देयर मिल्क प्रॉपर्ली, या जब वो एक्सप्रेस करने जा रहे हैं दे आर नॉट गेटिंग इनफ मिल्क इन दैट, तो ऐसा क्यों होता है?
Expressing is very useful, by the way, because like when I can tell a mom that 2 साल तक feed करो, but she has to get back to work. I'm not going to ask her to leave her job and sit at home. So we try to work out, some options, whether mother can work online, whether she can do, staggered hours, or she can, go alternate days to office, things like that.
Yeah.
So we're trying to work out the logistics so that she is able to maintain breastfeeding. For me, it's always about how much can I support the mother so she's able to continue this without feeling guilty about not being there. Because there's a lot of emotional aspect to going away from the baby and getting back to work. It's crazy for mother.
True.
They are
And
literally in
even for
tears.
those moms who are with their baby 24
their
hours,
baby.
they have that guilt कि मैं कुछ कर नहीं पा रही हूँ.
Absolutely.
Looking at the working moms. So it's
हर
both the sides. हर situation में moms को वो guilt trip तो लेनी ही है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. But expressing is very useful, and it doesn't matter whether you are working or you are at home, because you would like to go out sometime, because we give a lot of stress. Even in my program, self-care is the most important thing. Unless the mother is able to take care, I tell them, I said, if you are not happy, you can never be happy taking care of your kids.
Yeah.
So do take care of yourself. You always come first.
Hmm.
Because I remember as a young mother, मैं काम से आती थी and I used to be exhausted, 12 घंटे ड्यूटी करके, and then the child is standing there and your heart melts कि भाई अब बच्चे को तो देखना ही है, and you don't even feel like. But I used to also have that irritation inside कि आते ही बस I have to see this. I don't even have time to go and wash my face and have a cup of tea or coffee. That was because of the guilt that I was experiencing. And then I realized that if I have to really take care of my child in that situation, those extra 5-10 minutes are not going to make any difference.
Hmm.
So I can go wash my face, have a cup of tea, and be in the right frame of mind to take care of the child. So guilt is something that is very, very strong in all of us. And coming back to expressing, I think expressing is a huge help for every mom if you are able to do it. There is again a lot of learning and technique that is required. That's why I always say that please take help from the lactation consultant, from us, so that we are able to guide you on how to express, how to store the milk, and also teach the other family members who are going to take care, because they are worried as well
Yeah.
कि गलती तो नहीं कर रहे हैं,
Yeah.
कि ठंडा दे सकते हैं, उसको गर्म करना है, माइक्रोवेव में रखना है, कैसे गर्म करना है, कैसे देना है उसको.
Yeah.
Because one of the commonest mistakes that happens is that people give the express milk in bottle many times, and because of that breastfeeding can fail, because there is something called nipple confusion. Despite the fact that today many companies are marketing this is just like breastfeeding, if it had been so easy, it doesn't happen like that. It's way easier for the baby to take from the bottle rather than latching onto the breast. Babies also like the easy way out. And because of that, slowly over a period of time, what happens is that the breast milk output can come down.
Correct.
So we generally like to support the baby and the other family, so the mother or the other family members in giving express milk using either the palada or what we call the nifty cup. We get a silicone cup. It's very easy to learn that. Again, this needs to be learned. But it's not difficult, because we do it with premature babies who are 600 grams, 700 grams in the nursery. We never give bottle. And babies are not able to suck at that time. So we give express milk from the mother, which is so important for that baby to develop immunity and, really get through that critical period. So again, this is something that can be learned.
So now let's talk about the phase जहाँ पर बच्चा 2 to 4 years का होता है, and that's the phase where the kids form most of their habits जो life में वो आगे ले जाने वाले हैं. तो सबसे important वहाँ पर जो एक concern रहता है parents का, that is nutrition, snacking. Kids learn to eat snacks and फिर वो लोग अपना actual जो nutritious meal है वो नहीं खाते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So when is it okay for the parents कि उनको ज़्यादा concerned नहीं होना चाहिए, and when is it the time जब parents को बहुत ज़्यादा concerned होके उनके nutrition का ध्यान रखना चाहिए?
So 2 to 4 years में क्या होता है कि now the baby is more or less on whatever the parents are eating at home. तो focus तो यही है कि family pot जो है उसी में से बच्चे को खाना है, provided it is healthy. और दूसरा बच्चे जो हैं उनका attention span भी कम होता है, toddler phase और preschoolers, तो उनको बहुत ज़्यादा हम quantity देते हैं तो वो बैठ के खाते भी नहीं है और वो भाग जाते हैं उधर से. So this is always a constant dilemma कि how do we give adequate nutrition to this age group?
Because घर पे अगर माँ बाप शाम को चाय बिस्किट खा रहे हैं तो वो बच्चा भी सीख जाता है कि मैं चाय बिस्किट ही रोज
बिल्कुल
खाऊंगा।
बिल्कुल। और चाय तो आई हैव सो मेनी किड्स, बिकॉज हम लोग मना करते हैं कि एटलीस्ट 10-11 साल के जब तक नहीं होते दे आर नॉट सपोज टू टेक एनी ऑफ द स्टिमुलेंट्स, कॉफी, टी, सो दे आर नॉट सपोज टू टेक एनीथिंग। सो इवन फ्रूट जूसेस भी मना करते हैं हम लोग, बहुत कम देना चाहिए। बिलो 1 ईयर तो ज़ीरो होता है, और उसके बाद भी जब हम लोग देते हैं अबाउट 2 ईयर्स वगैरह, वेरी स्मॉल क्वांटिटी विद द फूड, एंड देर आर रीजन्स फॉर दैट एज वेल। बट बिटवीन 2 to 4 years पिकी ईटिंग भी बहुत होती है, और फसी बिहेवियर होता है, एंड द चाइल्ड इज ऑल्सो गेटिंग एक्सपोज टू पीपल अराउंड हु आर ईटिंग एवरीथिंग। सो पेरेंट्स ऑलवेज कम एंड टेल मी कि हमको तो छुप के खाना पड़ता है, नहीं तो वो देख के बच्चा भी मांगता है। So it is about role modeling. So overall, on day-to-day basis, I always believe in a kind of 80-20 approach. I don't want to be 100% strict and do away with everything, but keep what we call junk, or this unhealthy snacking for certain occasions. अब जैसे ऐसा नहीं है कि शुगर बिल्कुल ही नहीं देना है, क्योंकि कभी त्योहार होता है तो घर में बच्चा भी तो ज्वाइन करता है, तो मिठाई खाते हैं, हलवा बनाते हैं। तो लुक फॉर दोज ओकेजनली इफ यू डू दैट, बिकॉज यू आर ऑल्सो टीचिंग दैट टू द चाइल्ड दैट दिस इज मेंट फॉर स्पेशल ओकेजन, नॉट फॉर एवरी डे। हर रोज 3 चॉकलेट खाना, हर रोज बिस्किट्स। अब बच्चे तो ऐसे है कि उनको एक पैकेट ओरियो दिया तो पूरा खत्म करने तक। सो दैट इज वेयर वी आर नॉट टीचिंग kids any skills in terms of nutrition. So we have to really balance, because anemia is there 70% in India among
70%.
kids. So we have a huge program, anemia control program.
Okay.
तो इसीलिए हम लोग आयरन सप्लीमेंटेशन देते हैं बच्चों को इन द इनिशियल ईयर्स अलोंग विथ आयरन रिच डाइट। तो जो 2 से 4 साल के बच्चे हैं उनको हम लोग ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी नहीं दे सकते, स्पेशली द 2 to 3 years। तो उनको हम 3 मेजर मील्स और 2 स्नैक्स, दैट मीन्स 4 to 5 टाइम्स दिन में खा सकते हैं।
Okay.
उसमें से 1-2 मील्स जो कम से कम दे शुड बी न्यूट्रिएंट डेंस, कि कम क्वांटिटी में बच्चे को जो चाहिए वो दे सकते हैं हम लोग। So we have lot of these multigrain preparations which are there, which are traditionally used in every part of India. They can be useful. We are giving nutrient and energy dense food. But along with that, we are also teaching the child how to eat on their own. So they should be eating on their own, or snacking ke liye you have to use healthy snacks. So again, it requires a little bit of planning.
Yeah, because जब
Right.
snacking की बात आती है, every parent, every mom is confused कि अब मैं snacks के लिए क्या दूं उसे।
I have had mothers who are very creative. अब जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं कि use peanuts, use तिल, or you can use a little bit of jaggery or other things. So she would prepare these small laddus and make it, wrap it and keep it. So we had this concept which I love, every parent should follow. It's called Akshay Patra. That means you have a vessel which you specially keep for the child. And you tell the child that whenever they feel hungry, they can dip into this and eat. And usme you can keep all these things. Certain things like, like chopped fruits, vegetables, or ye til ke laddu, or, you can keep chikki, all these kind of certain, which are very good in terms of nutrition and also satisfy the child's craving for something.